The Pixel 8 might not get the wireless charging boost you crave. We're not expecting the arrival of the Google Pixel 8 for quite some time, but the device has already passed a key regulatory hurdle. This week, a new listing on the WPC's website revealed core wireless charging specs for the phone. The regulatory body's listing suggests that the Pixel 8 will continue using Qi wireless charging technology with a maximum wattage of 12 watts. Interestingly, this is the maximum wattage third-party chargers can push to current Pixel devices. Google's Pixel Stand can deliver up to 20 watts to the Pixel 7 and 23 watts to the Pixel 7 Pro. Google could well be implementing the same disparity with its forthcoming series. Notably, the listing doesn't reveal much else about the phone. The image used is not the Pixel 8, but we already have a good idea of the series' aesthetics based on an earlier leak. There's also no word yet on the Pixel 8 Pro, so we could still see a bump in wireless charging speed on the top-level model. More importantly, judging from the listed version of the Qi standard, it seems that the Pixel 8 will not feature the recently announced Qi 2 standard. That upgrade is built on the foundation of Apple's MagSafe ecosystem, using magnets to ensure your device is properly aligned with the Qi charging coils. Some Pixel fans will not be too pleased to note that the listing shows that the Pixel 8 will feature 12 watts wireless charging, which is the same as found on the Pixel 7. No improvements will be seen in that area. Effectively, when this new standard becomes widely available, we'll be seeing the same ideas presented in MagSafe and Android smartphones. We've seen third-party cases emulate some of those features, but this official support ought to prove interesting to say the least. The WPC also says that this change could open wireless charging to new form factors that wouldn't be chargeable using current flat surface-to-flat surface devices. Considering Qi 2 was only officially unveiled in January of this year, it's not too much of a surprise to see the Pixel 8 likely won't include it. That said, the WPC has not yet published details about the Pixel 8 Pro, so there may be some hope yet. Either way, it's somewhat exciting to have some of the first confirmed details of the Pixel 8 this early on, even if nothing has changed over last year. Meanwhile, the latest rumored specs for the Pixel 8 Pro call for a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 1440 by 3120 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Tensor 3 will drive the device with a basic configuration weighing in at 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. The rear camera bar will feature a 64 megapixels main camera, a 48 megapixels periscope lens telephoto camera, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera. A front-facing 16 megapixels camera will handle selfies and video chats. The 5100 mAh battery keeps the lights on, and the phone will have a sensor that takes the user's temperature. We expect the Pixel 8 line to debut in Google's usual September-October announcement period, so expect several rumors to land before then and more Pixel new. You can check out our channel too. See you for the next time. Peace out.